Is your iPhone camera not working properly? Whether it's freezing, showing a blank screen, or not focusing, I've got the solution you need. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to troubleshoot your camera and get it working like new again. The first step is to open the camera app and reopen it. Sometimes the camera app just needs a quick restart. Swipe up the bottom of your screen or press the home button on older model to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the camera app to close it and then reopen it. The next step is to restart your iPhone. Restarting can clear temporary glitches affecting the camera. Next, you check for obstructions. Make sure that nothing is covering the camera lens. Remove any case or screen protector that might be blocking the camera. You can also test in third-party app. Open a third-party app like Snapchat or Instagram and test the camera. If the camera works in these apps, the issue is with the default camera app. The next step is to update iOS. Check for software updates to fix any bug causing the issue. The next step is to reset all settings. Go to the setting, then General, then click on Reset, and then reset all settings. This will reset system setting without affecting your data. If the camera still doesn't work, it might be an hardware issue. Visit an Apple store or authorized repair center for help. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you fix your iPhone camera. Let me know in the comment section if you tried these steps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tech fixes. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.